If you've signed up as a CoCharger host, here are the main things you need to know to host your first session and to help EV drivers in your community to access a reliable and convenient charge point. Number 1. Download the free app on iOS or Android and select the host option. Number 2. Set up your free account and enter info, including your bank details, so you can get paid. Set your charger type and charging tariff, and make sure your charger is available on the map so that you can be found easily. Number 3. Ensure the chargee can access your charge point. And number 4. When someone makes a booking, you'll receive a booking notification email. You'll need to accept the request via the booking tab on the bottom left of your app. Click on your new booking, hit the accept button, and you're good to go. Once your chargee has completed their session, you'll be asked to confirm everything is correct and then approve that session. If there's anything you're not sure about, use the query button because we're here to help. CoCharger. Together, we're electrifying.